Hi guys, I'm Jaleisha and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. It's 2020, so everybody should be subscribing to my channel. I'm super excited. This is my first tutorial of this year. It's a really simple smoky eye with like this emerald green on the lid. I was inspired by these earrings. These are some bomb earrings. Like, do y'all see these earrings though? I'm super excited about this year. I'm just praying for positivity, good vibes, new money, more money. This year is just all about me. I'm focusing on myself. I'm loving myself more. I'm just claiming 2020 my year of happiness. I just want to be happy. So yeah, let me know what you guys are hoping for in the new year. Other than that, make sure you subscribe again and follow me on Instagram at Jaleisha Moss. And if you're in the DMV area, make sure you book me for your makeup appointments at MUA Moss and MUAMoss.com. I'll leave all of that in the description box. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this nice little look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so starting to look off with a little dancing. I'm going to be dipping into the Jeffree Star Androgony palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Poison, which is a beautiful teal shade. Like, teal is one of my favorite colors, so I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to use a flat brush to pack that all over my entire lid. Disclaimer, I am coming down with a cold, so excuse my voice, but I'm trying to, you know, stick on the whole consistency thing and continue editing and filming and posting for y'all. So that's why I'm doing this voiceover now. So yeah. But I'm just using an what is this? Eyeshadow brush to pack that all over my mobile eyelid. So to start blending that out, I'm going to dip into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette, and I'm going to use the shade Saturn, which is an orange shade. And I'm going to apply that with a fluffy brush. It's fluffy, but it's dense as well. It's very tapered, so it's not going to disperse the color all over the eyes. We're just going to pretty much blend this out into the crease. Initially when I used this shade, I was like, darn it, I should have used something a little different, but I just stuck with it. This gives me Perry the Platypus vibes if you are a Disney person. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, whew, that was like off. But yeah, so I'm just going to use the shade to blend it out. And then I'm going to actually go back into the Jeffree Star Androgony palette and take the shade Charm, which is also an orange shade, but it's a little lighter and softer. So I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. Alright, so we're fixing up that teal shade. So with an even, deeper, tapered brush, I want to take the shade Dominatrix from the Jeffree Star palette again. And this is where I'm doing the most blending for that teal shade to make sure everything is seamless. And it's giving us sunset vibes. So we can say bye-bye to Perry the Platypus and hello sunset. But yeah, I'm just taking this brush and blend it. Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess I was feeling that song. But yeah, I'm just going to take this brush and blend it out. And then I'll also go back in with the same brush I used for the orange to blend that out as well. You just want to keep going back and forth with the shades, blending and building. That's all you're doing. So I feel like the star of the show is the lid shade. So for that, I'm dipping back into the Anastasia Prism palette and using the shade Throne. This is my favorite shade out of the entire palette. It's a metallic emerald shade. And I did wet my brush when applying it just to give it a more foiled and pigmented look. And I'm just applying that with a synthetic brush to my lid. And then I'm going to blend it out with more of the matte teal shade and a little bit of brown, so that way it's seamless. But you just want to keep building it until it's up to your satisfaction as far as pigmentation. For eyeliner, I'm using the Nude liner by Rimmel. You can use a white liner, but I decided to go with Nude because it's a little softer than white and not as harsh. But yeah, I'm just applying that to my waterline to make my eyes appear a little bit brighter and bigger. Once I'm done with the eyeliner, I'm also going to go back into the orange and brown shade and apply that to my lower lash line. For lashes, I'm using, I'm using lashes from Sephora collection, and I'm just going to apply those. I don't remember the exact number or style, but yeah, I'm sorry. They're from Sephora though, and I'm just applying those. They're more of like a natural lash, but still a little flirty. Like, I like drama, but not too much drama, you know, like Housewives, but not Atlanta, okay? But anyway, yeah, I'm just applying those, and then once I apply that, I'm just going to dust off my face powder, and then we're going to move on to highlight, blush, and lips. So highlight, of course, I gotta use one that I'm always using. I know, it's the Dose of Colors and Iluvsarahii Soulmate highlighter. I just love this highlighter, and honestly, I don't own too many highlighters. Like, I'm not a hoarder when it comes to makeup. I buy it if it works for me, and if I have something like it, I'm not gonna buy it. So like, I only have a few things. But yeah, so that was my highlighter, and then for blush, I'm gonna use my Makeupshayla in Tarte. Or no, wait, I'm applying more highlighter. What? So I'm using the Makeupshayla and Tarte bronze highlighter. I guess the Iluvsarahii was a little too light, so I wanted to darken it up. Excuse me. I didn't know. But for blush, okay, now for blush, I'm using the Juvias Place Blush Palette Volume 2, I think. Volume 1 or 2. I don't remember, but it's in the description box. So yeah, I use that for my blush. I really enjoy this palette, and I definitely recommend it. And then mascara is my favorite mascara for bottom lashes. If you are bald like me, it's the MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara in the shade Extended Black or Black, Mega Black. I don't know. It's black. But yeah. And then for lips, I'm using NYX Brown Liner. And of course, my favorite nude lipstick of all time. The best nude lipstick of all time. More Crema Please by Dose of Colors and Desi and Katy. It was a limited edition collab, but I feel like they definitely need to bring this back. Or if y'all know a dupe, please let me know, because I bought one for me, I bought one for my kit, and then I have a backup one. Like, I'm not playing about this lipstick. So yeah, but that's lips. So now that the lips are done, this is the finished look here. I really hope you guys enjoy. Like, I really loved how this turned out. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do that. As always, like, if you're not subscribed in 2020, what are you doing? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something, enjoyed. Stay beautiful and inspired. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.